right, today we're going to bring a surveillance camera. This one has LED lights that surround the actual camera. It has wireless antenna, a 360 view around with the camera. Everything's required, including the actual cable. You can also connect it directly to a power source. You got your ground, you got your hot, and you got your neutral. So we're gonna set this up outdoors and show you guys how to set this up. All right, the way this camera works, either you have a cloud system or you can always do the SD card, micro SD card. And like I said, the type C, you want to transfer videos, a reset button, everything's included in here. The micro SD card goes in this location here. So we're going to set this up today, and it has a two-way audio on this one too. If you guys notice, it has sensors all around that we're going to go ahead and open them up. So any kind of movement that we have, we're going to see how it looks on the camera in the day and at night. There it goes. All right, this is gonna be the hardest part right here. Passing the cable through to the other side. All right, we got the app in here. We're gonna open it up. All right, I'm in my backyard where I have the actual camera. We're gonna create an account. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Be out here, bring more here. So right now I'm cleaning up my pool tonight. I took all the water out, but if you guys can see, I have that light and it just automatically detected me as soon as I got in here.
You have entered a parking surveillance area. Please leave immediately.
Record a little bit on the outside. I'm going to show you guys the light. I don't want to show my address, but here it is, the light. And if I walk in front of it, and there it is, starts turning to me, light comes on.
Entered a parking surveillance area.
That's because I'm near the car. Awesome little thing, and it's bright. It is really bright. Look how bright it is. Two lights make it really bright. All right, let's take a look at the application. All right, so we're going to open the app and I'm going to show you a couple things that you have. All right, on the app itself, you can do crazy things at night. So we're going to go ahead and play this so you guys can see a full virtual system on it. So let's go ahead and play it. Once you see it, you could create a picture down here of what the camera can see. So once you create the picture on it, you can just click anywhere and the camera will go there. So if you have packages, you can capture packages. The system has a security great features that anybody that walks in front of it, it will identify it, which is great. You have a recording button here. Let me put the camera back. You got a recording. You could take pictures. You could change the resolution on it. You could turn on the light if you want. There's a light button here, so I'm gonna turn it on. And once you turn it on, you're gonna see it change it from dark to day, which is, I like that feature. It's a lot. You could talk to somebody from here from these features. You can change the tone. You can put an alarm. The remote control is very simple. And then the best thing about it that I like is that it has other features that you can use. You could do tracking. And this is a car park right here. This is actually, you set up a zone where you want to identify if people are walking nearby your car. It'll give out some sort of information about, you know, get away from the car and so forth. You could change the sensitivity. You could do human detection, vehicle detection, pet detection, and so forth. Now, great features that you can change. You could add it to your Google or your Lexus and so forth. Video sharing, you could share this with the police officer. You could share this for your neighbor. Something's stolen locally. You could just send it to them. So it has great features that you can identify, and you can send people to actually log into the system too if you're sharing the camera with multiple personnel. So these are great features that it has. Let's go back into the system. And like I said, you out of the bat, you have a bunch of features just to get started. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.